come with me to Jacksonville, Florida, guys. I decided to take a mini vacay around July 4th, and it was amazing. I got to see family and, you know, like I said, we already have the food going. This is tuna steaks. We have peppers, onions, okay, tomato paste in here, lime. Guys, amazing scent, amazing. I'm about to put in some of this ragazzo cilantro in there, okay guys, and then we also gonna put in some of sofrito. So my sister gonna put it in, and then also sofrito. Ooh, some bananas going on over here, and sweet potatoes over there. So like my sister was saying, the art of it is making sure you prep at night. Like make sure you peel your banana, peel your sweet potato, you know, defrost your fish and all that good stuff. And then in the next day, we don't have much to do. So guys, this is going to be amazing. You have all of this, see? We done prep it. All the peppers, all the onions is prepped. We took all the juice out. We put it in here. This is the banana and the sweet potatoes. And we're going to take all the gravy, guys, and just pour it on. Our own cooking show, guys. Haha, this is so fun and lovely. Try not to get hungry, guys. I know it's looking delicious. I know it's looking juicy. I'm going to taste it for you guys, okay? So just hold on tight. Please do so. If you know what's stewed chicken, that's stewed tuna. Ooh, ooh. Hey guys, trying on this dress. I don't like it. Guys, look at these shades. It's nice. Two of more good food. This is kingfish.
Snapper.
Snapper.
And tuna. No, not tuna.
Kingfish and snapper. Snapper right there. Some more bananas and habanero. Don't forget to put in your Tony seasoning.
You can smell it.
We smelling it, yes. We paused and took a moment to just smell the aroma. Put the fish in there. The banana is in the habanero. Ooh, I'm just showing food. I ain't showing you guys anything I'm doing, but I've been eating. Just know that. Good. Got the fall in there. Need 1 bottle of water. Well, cup.
May not need a whole bottle. You gotta know how much to put.
You just go ahead and knead it up with it. Pour, mix, pour, mix, pour, mix. Some snapper. Yum, yum, yum. Going to one of the many rivers in Jacksonville, Florida, just to enjoy, you know, some of the scenery and the vibes, the earthy feeling, the greenery. I mean, I loved everything about here. Look at that. Look how green and rich this is. Make you feel so free. Please don't let us see no snake. I see fish.
What is that?
Oh, a snake or something. Ooh. From the Florida. Guys, look how pretty this is. Oh my gosh, I could like sit out here. Sunny, sunny Florida. And then we have like a lot of trees too as well. A lot of trees. So we have like best of both worlds. And you know who that is. You know who that is. That's my sweet little daughter. But yes, guys, this is it. On our way to Riverside, which is another river that we will be seeing. Ooh, fishing. I missed it. Every time it's a rainbow. It's gonna be okay. Gonna be okay. I'm at the town center. It's huge. Into DSW shoes. How about that? I don't even own a silver shoes. We're heading straight to the clearance section. Oh, look at this. To Mango. I know where I'm at. Sephora. With the perfumes. I had a special delivery come in today and I am just so happy. I got beautiful flowers and I just really appreciate all the love that I am getting. Today's tennis day and this is my opponent. We're about to do this. Let's do this, guys. Let's go. Yum, 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 yum. The new job. Over easy eggs.
You got me.
We at the beach.
Went on the pier and I walked.
You know it's Florida when you see the palm trees. Look at that. Look at the keys. Guys, the water is a little rough today, but hey, people is in there. That's the pier. That's where we heading, right over there on that pier. But yeah. It ain't St. Croix or anything, but you know what? This is the Florida beach. The sand is white though. So yeah, beautiful. So we're on the pier now. Wow. Yes.
Birds, the seagull,
Yeah.
and the children who were laughing.
Yeah, it was so funny. And somebody called the bird. Say hi for the camera. One of the Floridians right here on the pier, guys. We're out there, nothing but ocean. To the end of the pier. Okay, guys, I want to thank you guys for joining me today on this travel vlog to Jacksonville, Florida. I really appreciate you for hanging in there, and if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe if you haven't yet, and then leave a comment. If you have ever visited Florida, which part of Florida have you visited? Have you ever been to Jacksonville, and what did you do? Until next time, guys, please be safe and stay kind. Bye.